Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever created a Canva presentation or video and got frustrated by those automatic slide delays or unwanted timing, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove timing from any Canva project so your slides switch instantly and smoothly. This method works on the latest Canva update, so stick with me till the end. Let's get started. First, open Canva and load the project where you want to remove the timing. This could be a presentation, a video, or even a slideshow. Once your project opens, select the page or slide you want to edit. You'll notice Canva automatically sets a default duration, usually a few seconds, especially if animations or transitions are applied, but we can change that in just a few clicks. Now, look at the top toolbar. You should see a small clock icon. This is the timing control for your selected page. Go ahead and click on that. A slider will appear that lets you adjust how long the slide stays on the screen during playback. If you want to completely remove timing from the slide, simply drag the slider all the way to the left until it shows 0.0 seconds. That means the timing is now removed and the slide will switch instantly when you click in presentation mode or when editing your video timeline. But wait, if you're working on a long project, you might not want to repeat this step for every single slide. Here's a time-saving trick. After setting the timing to 0, click on the button that says Apply to all pages. This instantly removes timing from every page in your project. Super easy and a huge time saver. And that's it. You've now removed timing in Canva like a pro. Your slideshow or video will feel much smoother and more professional without those forced delays. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and drop a comment if you want help with another Canva feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.